guys, I'm going to show you something that I did today, something fun, something that you can do and give you some ideas on different little things I do around my home for Easter or spring. These three little cute little bunny rabbits I've had forever. They're holding the little hydrangeas and they're just as cute as can be. I had this bowl, the bowl that I got at one of the wineries in California many years ago, and I just love it. It's a signed piece by the particular artist. I usually put either grapes or fruit in it or something around in the springtime. Sometimes I'll have to show you what else I'll do as the summertime comes and with this particular bowl. But having these three cute little bunny rabbits, I had made a decision that I would put them in the bowl like they're playing, and you can see how they're acrobatic, and it's just the cutest thing. I got these candy kisses. Let's see if we can get closer. These candy kisses, and these candy kisses have the colors of springtime and Easter. So I threw them in there. They're like in the bottom of it, and I just want to give you a little bit of idea that you can get. Just spend on a little bit of candy, and you will not have to spend any money on things that you already have for Easter. I love you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Be safe. Until tomorrow.